This is Qwen 3.8-Flash-Next, and it just dropped as an open weight preview of what's going to become the Qwen 4 architecture. It's a 125 billion parameter model with only 6 billion activated. We are going to do two things with it today. First, we are downloading it in quantized format, courtesy Unslocks GGUF, and then we are going to hit Qwen's own hosted API for the production version of the same architecture, which is called as Qwen 3.8 Flash. So you can see both sides. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Recently, I also have started this free weekly AI newsletter which you can subscribe at fahadmirza.substack.com. Let's get right into this. I'm going to run this Ubuntu. I have one GPU card which is NVIDIA H100 with 80 GB of VRAM. It's a huge model even in the quantized format, by the way. The tool which I'm going to use is llama.cpp, which I already have installed on my system. If you don't know what llama.cpp is, how to get it installed, let me show you the commands because you need to use a specific version of llama.cpp if you are using this GGUF with Unslot. So these are all the commands which you need to run in order to build and clone and then launch your llama.cpp as you can see here. Okay, so now you know what to do. Let me download the model from Hugging Face. So I'm just going to run this command, which is just using my local directory. I will just go to home directory and run it from there. That suits. So what it is telling me that I need to install the Hugging Face CLI, and now the model is being downloaded. While it happens, let's talk a bit more around the architecture of this Qwen 4 model because we will be looking at it from various angles going forward. Most models process every word by looking back at everything that came before it, which gets really expensive as conversations get longer. Qwen 3.8 Flash Next splits that job into two specialists. Most of its layers use something called as gated delta-net, which just keeps a running compressed memory of everything it's seen, like a smart memory that updates as it goes. Then only once in a while, a second type of layer called Quen sparse attention steps in to actually search back through the full conversation. But instead of scanning every single word, it scans in chunk, so it's much faster. On top of that, there is this gated residual system, which is basically extra lanes of information flowing through the model so nothing important gets lost as it gets deeper. And then there is this n-gram embedding layer, which is like a giant lookup dictionary of common word patterns sitting in RAM, giving the model extra knowledge without slowing it down. Put together, that's how you get a 125 billion parameter model that only actually activates 6 billion parameters per word, which is this whole trick behind it being so fast and so cheap. Model is downloaded and I'm serving that with llama.cpp server as you can see. Let me show you the VRAM consumption. So consuming just touch over 61 gig of VRAM. Okay, let's try it out. So first up, I'm going to give it this test where I'm asking it to create me a tabbed single self-contained HTML file inline CSS where we will have nested UI structured and there will be continents tab like Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, and then level 2 will be regions like Northern Europe, Western Europe, such as that, and level 3 would be country list with each sub-region tab where it needs to put in country name, its national or most iconic traditional drink, and the name should be in its own language, not English. So multilinguality plus UI structure, broad factual world knowledge, and multilingual native script accuracy all in one shot is being tested here. So three very different skills at once. So let's wait for it to come back and I will wait for it. Meanwhile, if you want to help out the channel, just go to the home page of channel and from there become channel's member. And as it thinks and creates that code, Let me give you a very quick overview of this benchmarking. Hopefully you can see this benchmark. I will just make the font bit more bigger. There you go. So look, on language coding and benchmark, this Flash-Next has beaten Qwen 3.8 27 billion, 3.7 plus, and DeepSeek V4 Flash across almost every benchmark, and even edges out Claude Opus 4.6 on most of them. The one place it loses is multidisciplinary reasoning, which is HLE, where Claude Opus 4.6 stays on top, and repo level code generation, where DeepSeek V4 Flash leads. Have a look at the second benchmark. There, this is where it leads 3.827 billion. This is just a vision language thing, which we will test out with API based one. And Cloud Opus 4.6 on almost every multimodal and agentic vision task, from mobile and computer use to chart and math reasoning. The only close exception is scientific chart analysis, where Qwen 3.7 plus narrowly comes out on top, which is quite interesting in my opinion. So this one seems a bit realistic, and in multimodality, it's not that impressive, but we will check out. It was taking too long, so I trimmed down the prompt just to get 25 countries from each continent, and this is what it has produced. Now I need your help. Just check out your country, your drink, and your native name. So this is from Europe, as you can see, and within Europe, Western Europe, Northern Europe, Southern, Eastern, and Southeastern Balkans. So the tabs and sub-tabs are fairly accurate. The coding checks out. This is Asia, South Asia, and then I will just keep going. So far, so good. Southeast Asia, amazing stuff. Central Asia and Middle East. This is Africa and different beautiful regions of Africa, as you can see. So you need to check and let me know, because I really don't know your region. North America, and then this is Caribbean. Let me show you the South America, and this is Oceania. So yes, I don't know. Coffee is good. Lemon, lime, and bitters. I thought it was VB or some sort of beer, but anyway, we will take coffee for now. New Zealand, instant coffee. Yes, that's fine. So that's it. Let me know what do you think about this. Let me do one final test, but with Hermes agent. So this is Hermes agent. Let me paste the prompt and make it work while I show you what exactly I am doing. And I'm using API based model now. Now, this is the image, as you can see, where there is this man in the middle, and then man has to select between his girlfriend and the boss, and boss has a lot of money, and you can also check out the girlfriend. So the prompt is very high stake. If you look at your screen, it's a binary dilemma. It tests that forces on, this forces and the model to role play as a conflicted man and irrevocably select between true love and lifelong wealth, with the final answer locked to one measurable line. It's really hard because both options demand permanent catastrophic sacrifice with zero compromise possible, exposing the model's value hierarchy, emotional coherence, and ability to commit under impossible pressure without hedging or escaping. This is not simply a math 2 plus 2 or any coding problem. So let's see what model does. The model has come back with the response, and it really shows you the creativity, language understanding, and how instruction following is working pretty perfectly. Model has remained fully inside the prompts rule, first person as a man, strictly binary, no third door, no delay, no compromises. And if you read through it, it is, I think a master stroke, because not only it has given its reasoning, it has evaluated and balanced all the options, and towards the end, the final choice is a girlfriend. What would you select, by the way? Anyway, so um, not only that, I think it names the real cost of choosing a girlfriend tool. Look at this. It says blacklist, unused resume, rent fights, love not beating a mortgage. So it is the good thing is that it is not really romanticizing poverty. Then it is just being very realistic. And it says that because the man who takes the case would no longer recognize himself. So anyway, so very strong, very compliant, more poetic, very ornate, very clean, very measurable, high quality pass. I think language, coding, emotional coherence, world knowledge, everything checks out. And look, I can't really do justice with this model in one video, so bear with me. There will be few more videos. We will be also really thrashing this model a lot, but now you know how to get it installed locally. And off you go. See you in the next one. Thank you for all the support.